started operations on the Northeast store back in 2016. Back then, we didn't have any funding. It was just a clear idea, determination, and the willingness to figure things out. Today, we've built something solid with a very good customer base, a strong team, and we are growing year over year.
We have been running Eurotech Private Limited for 6+ years. And last year we have crossed 18 lakhs plus in revenue. It has been a steady growth, not just in sales, but how we have expanded, reached new markets, and built a stronger customer base. Every year we have grown, and now we are ready to scale up even further.
Our vision has always been to go beyond just local reach. We've built the foundation, now it's about scaling up, expanding into the new market, improving capacity, and also strengthening our brand. We want to create more jobs, adopt better technology, and also build something from Meghalaya that stands out anywhere.
When you've built the basic, the next step is about scaling with the right exposure and backing. It's not just a competition, but it's a platform for businesses like ours to reach to a wider audience and also to connect with people who can help us grow and really unlock the next level.
The Megapreneur Startup Challenge is a statewide search to find the top 5 startups that will represent Meghalaya at the grand pitching segment of the Megapreneur Expo 2025. It's a unique challenge for startups to showcase what they've built, get real visibility, connect with investors, and take their business to the next level.
If you want to participate in this statewide search, here is what you will need. You need to be a resident of Meghalaya. You should be adult Indian citizen. Your business should be registered as a private limited company or about to register. Your business should have a turnover of at least 35 lakhs or have a strong growth potential. You should have a working product or service. You should have a year-on-year growth. You should be focused on job creation. You should have a solid team, innovation in your product or service or model, and your business should be ready to adapt or already using technology. Pure trading businesses or family extensions will not qualify. This is for original founder-led businesses and startups only.
From across Meghalaya, 25 startups will be shortlisted to pitch in the next round, and 5 will get a chance to represent the state at the Megapreneur Expo 2025.
We have built through struggle. Now let's build with support. Let's build Meghalaya.
MLA keseng VPP dan Nongkram Constituency Bah Ardent mela basayomaj Wanrah ke 0 notice hagi yang dorbar tauan. Haga bede bagi kaiphod ke belakano basan spaklur ke GST kaladon ke jingla thok bakentop iki karkhana kok ha Meghalaya. Haga bede bakaneu Menteri Sarkar bakmi ekatna taxation UET mandal ula pentikna yak yang dorbar bakatna GST ke jela kadang simkhia bah bentok ke iki karkhana thok batrikam ha Meghalaya ke beladan keti hak badai ya ke input tax credit ki wepat ke bedan cabar ke jela. Bare ke jinglap na kini jing toket ladap ben pentip ru segi bos sarkar jeng ki wepat ke jela. Kadang bakan don ke jingi trilang hak ban penistam persya kini karkhana thok ki bedan benta. Weti mandal ula pentip bakatna GST keladaban pak regijing tho syaga Directorate General of GST Intelligence DGGI ban kerpat ban IT gijing tip kenang ban la ban penistom ikini kibayok pedang thok yak input tax credit hapo uput usam jaga jela. Uli thu bagladon gijing la thok blalap daki kenhon kum ka DGGI ya ka bala pentip malang ka Porsche ki bor sarkar bat habaki yok pedang ya kum kini gijing jala shim ki senjam ki bateng e tak bayar renti kat kumkaan. UET mandal ulong baka DGGI kam shimlai kino gijing tep syakatna GST ka Meghalaya. Haka bede bagi karkhana kok ke badan hakana kejela lagi dei ki belayo jing mentoy na kini ki kam ki belale thok. Uli tho ru bagi jing penbiang yu do yong ha Meghalaya kelalong kebeduna bha naduk baka National Green Tribunal kalakang persya ya kejing ti doyong tliu khnai hak senam arhajar katsau. Kumta ki karkhana kok kishania euroyong ubaladat bandili lam ki district baglathiat uidoyong na shabar ke jilla. Ula pentip bakat kum ga GST portal record sapedeng kesenam arhajar arpuar arpulai bat arhajar arpusau arpusan. Arpu kendai teli ki karkhana kok letrekam na kisan pusau teli ke beladat register bak kejing penmi yakini kesenam kalong lais pa anyo point not nreu klur tengka. Bat ka tax liability barok kalong kat pra point nyo san klur tengka. Hagaba kat san point prasau klur tengka la ban pelat lengba ka input tax credit bat kerangdon kepisah ke berangsa. Hagan kapor ki karkhana klathiat shilak sopu prahajar sispa lai pesau metrik ton udoyong na sebar ke jela wasongdor nyupuar point sau kendai klur tengka bat ke IGST ke bakot arpusau point san nyo klur tengka.
So my first concern is about the loss of revenue. So if this amount of rupees 500 crore GST fraud, which is supposed to come to the state's exchequer, is not unearthed, the state would have easily lost hundreds of crores of rupees and could even go much higher. So my second concern is about the image of the state. This is not the first racket that have taken place in the state of Meghalaya or connected with Meghalaya, sir. In the recent past, we have witnessed major rackets that are taking place in Meghalaya, such as international bike smuggling rackets involving Bangladesh nationals, infiltration racket, cattle smuggling racket, trafficking racket, gold smuggling racket, and the list can go on and on, sir. And now the GST racket involving the taxation department. So, sir, as citizens, we are really concerned to see that many rackets are taking place in our state. So how many more rackets could we anticipate to see from now? Sir, we would also like to know what are the steps being taken to find out who are the people involved in this crime. Whether official of the taxation department is complicit in the crime, sir. So, what is the assurance from the government that such activities will be dealt sternly and severely to deter such occurrence from time to time?
4 individuals were arrested for their involvement in the fake billing scam. The accused persons, Gaurav Agarwal, Deepak Agarwal, Vinod Agarwal, and Guddu Singh, all are the residents of Assam. Subsequently, revealed that another person named Shiv Kumar Mittal, owner of GM Coke plant in Barnihat, under Assam's jurisdiction, was arrested for allegedly evading GST amounting to approximately rupees 150 to 200 crores through similar schemes. However, the Director General of GST Intelligence has not yet disclosed details of the Meghalaya State GST Department regarding which specific coke plants in Meghalaya was benefited from these fraudulent scams. Mr. Chairman, sir, it must be noted that legally sourced coal within Meghalaya has been limited ever since National Green Tribunal banned red hole mining in the year 2014. As a result, coke plants rely mainly on the coal obtained through district administration auctions, and to meet their full requirement, they also procure coal from outside the state. Input tax credit is a key feature of the GST framework, as it allows recipients to reduce their output tax liability. A recipient can claim ITC, that is input tax credit, only when invoices are reported to in GST returns. On the GST portal, all interstate coal purchase invoices of coke plants in Meghalaya are duly reflected with corresponding UA bills generated to record the movement of coal into the estate. Coordinated action can be taken against the fraudulent entities involved and proper action can be taken against them accordingly. Sir, once we receive the report, we will also see the if there is any involvement of our officers also, sir. We are not sitting idle, we are taking care. I do assure that appropriate action will be taken.